Innovation with real-world impact. Students of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at MJCET have developed an advanced car black box system aimed at improving vehicle safety and assisting in accident investigations. Developed by Zubair Ahmed Khan, Mohammed Zaid, and Syed Ayaan Hashmi, the system uses Raspberry Pi along with advanced sensors to record important vehicle data including speed, location, motion, audio, and video. During the Project Viva, the external examiner highly appreciated the project and praised the students for their innovation and technical excellence. The innovator team members also explained their project in detail. Do listen to their insights and presentation. Follow Mags Horizon on Instagram and subscribe to the Mags Horizon YouTube channel for more inspiring student innovations and campus updates.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Mohammed Zaid. I'm a student from Muffakham College of Engineering and Technology. I'm a final year student right now, and this is my final year project. And these are my teammates. This is Ayaan Hashmi, and this is Zubair Ahmed Khan. And this is the project we've been working on. The project we've worked on is called a car black box. It's a system that records vehicle information during travels and during journeys. And the problem that we wanted to solve is that these days there's a lot more cars on the market. There are a lot more cars on the road because growing sales, growing people, larger population. But the roads are the same, and eventually there's going to be collisions. But when accidents happen, you can't isolate the accidents and like investigate for a long time. You have to clear it out and keep so the cars can keep going. So the problem is investigating accidents. That's the problem. You don't have much time. You'll have to inquire other people and then see what went wrong. That's not a very reliable method. So to solve that problem, we created a car black box. What the black box does is it records information uh, leading up to the crash. So all kinds of information as like what speed the car was going with, and at every instant of time, and then when it collided, what were the G forces that the car experienced, and then all everything that was going on inside the cars, within the car itself, like the engine temperature, the RPMs, all that. So using that information, investigators can use that info and study everything that led up to the crash, the circumstances, the environment, whether it was the driver's fault, whether it was something in the environment, whether it was the car's fault, something was wrong with the car itself. So those are the problems that we can solve with our device. And and we've built it into the car. Uh, as you can see, this is sort of like the skeleton of the black box. It's open right now. We've installed a bunch of sensors. The black box runs on a device called the Raspberry Pi, which is essentially a very small computer. It has two cameras, one camera over here that records the driver, and then another camera over there that records the front of the car. It essentially acts like a dashboard, as a dash cam, I mean. Apart from that, there's also a microphone over here and an alcohol sensor over here. And an alcohol sensor will record the presence of alcohol in the cabin. That way, we can identify whether or not the driver was under the influence. And yeah, apart from that, there's some other sensors such as a GPS sensor and an accelerometer, and those things will help us figure out exactly the pathway the car took during its journey down to the coordinates. Yes. So the way it works is when a crash happens, the car it starts to shut down, and then the investigators can retrieve that information on an SD card. They can plug it into a computer and see all the graphs, and they can draw their conclusions. So yes, that's our project. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone. I'm happy to share today. I came as an external examiner here, so I saw the one of the beautiful project made by students. Appreciate the students as well as the faculty coordinator as well as head of the department. So because they developed in a car black box. So really speaking, I heard first time this kind of project. So they developed in a already available. Even it is suitable for the untechnologized kind of cars also. This setup is useful for the devices whenever many accidents are happening or what is happening inside the car. Or nowadays we are seeing outside so many issues are happening in the vehicles. It can be suitable for any kind of four-wheeler vehicle, not only for the car. The students are developed for a car. Of course, it's really appreciated. It can be useful for the society, and we can recommend for any further funding projects also. I wish you good luck for the students as well as the faculty mentors. Thank you.